Hey guys, welcome back to Guide Glimpse. In this video, let me teach you on how to bet on Megapari. Megapari is a popular online sportsbook launched in 2019, offering a wide variety of betting options on sports like football, basketball, and esports. Now, to bet on Megapari, start by visiting their website and creating an account. You can register easily by providing the required details. Once your account is set up, log in to access the betting platform. Enter your username and password to access your account. Without logging in, you can browse available bets but cannot place them. Navigate to the sports section through the main menu. You'll find various sports options listed on the left side of the screen. Next, choose a sport, select a country, and then find the league or event you wish to bet on. Click on the event you are interested in, and you will see the available betting options. Check the odds for different types of bets available. When you're ready, then you can place your bet, enter the amount you wish to wager, and confirm your bet. You can view your active bets in the bet slip on the right side of the screen. Megapari offers a diverse range of betting markets across various sports. They feature both pre-match and live betting options, ensuring an engaging experience for users. For more details on betting process and available promotions, you can visit their official site. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.